Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of Vroid. In this video we'll be in the Glasses version 3. So we'll be finding it again. Until we get it. Sometimes it might take a little while, other times it won't. Okay, so I have mine here. And there's another problem. It's a little bit, oops, it's a little bit long. What do I mean by this? It's actually all blank. And you know, I know you're thinking like, well, it should accept it because right now it's already in the texture file as a default image. Well, not exactly. Why? This. You see the problem? It's basically taking everything from it. What do I mean by that? Simple. It's accepting the entire image, including the background. That's not what we're looking for. It really isn't. So for that, you just have to erase it, the background. And try our best to keep it simple. Which is not that easy one here. So sometimes you just have to erase the background. Because again, for some reason it does not want to accept that transparent background if it's not actually transparent. If it's a white or black background, it's gonna accept it as a color. You know, as in a background color like you just saw with the glasses. So if you have like a base or shade color, it's gonna accept it like that. I still don't understand why. Alright, so now we try this again. Now it's much better. But we go through the same step. Add freehand group, zoom in to focus, and we draw. I did it wrong, but you get the point. Now, all you have to do is align, control points, and position it. Odd. I almost did it in one shot. It's not normal. Huh. Okay, so here I'll just have to be pulling it up a little bit. You know, simple modifications. And now, I'll just be working with the texture. And here will be the same thing as the previous version of it. What I'll be doing. Which it should be something like this. Let's see if it will, there we go. It kind of works. but you already see the point. Yes, I made it a little bit on the line, but that's not the point right now. The point is that you already know this type of method. Oh, well, you look at that, it still doesn't even accept it. Heh. So it's more bothersome. The margin is really small. But still, you have the result here. This is a rough idea how it can actually look like. But anyway, for the developers of Vroid, please make it simple, because this is a little bit too complicated. Do you know how many types of images there are in the world, and how many have they been converted from one type of file to another? And for Vroid Studio to accept only one original, you're kind of making this a little bit difficult, at least from that perspective.